How to optimize TikTok for SEO. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does TikTok have to do with SEO? But if you've been paying attention to any social media platform over the last several years, you know that they tie into SEO. And TikTok is one of the fastest growing platforms out there, and the app generated $4.6 billion in revenue in 2021. That's a 142% increase year over year. This means that you absolutely can't afford to overlook it as a part of your marketing strategy. And according to Google's own internal data, nearly 40% of Gen Z users prefer to use TikTok and Instagram over Google to search. One of their SVPs at Google has even said the new internet users don't have the expectations and the mindset that Google has become accustomed to. So how can you make sure that your TikTok presence is fully optimized for SEO? Well, step one, understand your audience and their search intent. Ask yourself who you're trying to reach and what they're looking for from your content. There's 4 types of intent: informational, preferential, transactional, and navigational. Just make sure you understand which one of those intents your ideal customer is looking for, so that way you can best create content for them. For example, if my audience is related to food and they're just looking for informational content on how to create an omelet or a pancake, my content, my video on TikTok may be more informational, creating step-by-step instructions on how to create a pancake. Step 2, select the right keywords for your video. You can use tools like Ubersuggest or AnswerThePublic to figure out what is trending right now in your space and what people are searching for. If you go to Ubersuggest, type in any keyword, it'll show you literally 1 million+ variations of that keyword that people search for, and the keyword based on how popular it is and what people are looking for. Keep in mind, even though it may be competitive on Google, it won't be that competitive on TikTok when it comes to SEO. And if you use tools like AnswerThePublic, it tells you right now, today, what is trending, and it pulls keywords based off what people are searching from search engines like Google, and showing you what's popular that people want to hear about today that they will be searching for also on TikTok, and create content around those subjects. Step 3, define your hashtag strategy. Think of hashtags as like keywords. Choose the main one as well as supplemental ones that are less competitive that might be easier to rank for, like long tail keywords. And again, you can use tools like Ubersuggest and AnswerThePublic to give you these keywords. Step 4, review your performance. Look at your analytics. All these tools provide analytics, even if you're trying to do marketing outside of just TikTok. And look to see what's done well and what hasn't done well. Create more content and the videos of the stuff that's done well and less of the stuff that hasn't done well. If your account continually gets more views, you're more likely to rank higher. So make sure you're focusing on content that people actually want to listen to and watch. That'll help you perform better on TikTok as well, because if you keep creating content that people don't want to watch, it tells our algorithm, hey, most of the videos are duds, so don't rank the overall account well for almost anything. That's why you want to eliminate the duds and create more of the good stuff. That'll help you rank higher on TikTok for all your videos when it comes to SEO. If you need help with your TikTok marketing or any social media marketing, whether it's paid or organic, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies grow. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoy the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you very much.